This is so unique. Guys, Adam is freaking out. Give us a smile there, my love.
Good morning. So today is day 20 of our travels through South Africa, and today we are at Lake Eland Game Reserve.
And we are so excited to show you our accommodation.
Very unique. So let's go and see what we can get up to now.
Hi, welcome to Lake Eland Game Reserve.
So upon entering Lake Eland, they've got this awesome little curio shop and little grocery shop where you can just buy whatever your heart desires. Such good stuff. Okay guys, we have just gotten our keys for our unique accommodation. Let's go and open up for the crib tour. So here at Lake Eland, it doesn't have to be a pipe dream to get away from it all. Welcome to our pipe dream. This is so unique. Oh my word! This is so cool! Ah! We're staying in a pub!
So, as you can gather, this is rather unique because it's literally in a old water pipe. So the concrete water pipe, and we're sleeping in it.
And what is so awesome about this is how much did it cost?
So for this, it's only 450 rand a night. It's got a nice double bed in here for the two of us. It also comes with a small little table and chairs that you can put in inside and outside. We've currently got it outside.
And a kettle for coffee.
A kettle and a braai. It does have shared ablution blocks, I think.
Ablution.
It's like a camping type of thing. So this is fantastic. So as you can see, our pipe behind, it's so weird to say, we're staying in a pipe. But we booked actually this place for 2 nights. However,
the people here at Lake Eland are so amazing, so friendly, that they have gifted us 1 free night in the chalets.
so we're gonna rough it here tonight, which I don't think is really roughing it because it looks really comfortable. And then tomorrow they're moving us to one of the chalets, and all in the house. So thank you, Lake Eland. You
Thanks,
guys rock.
So Lake Eland Game Reserve looks absolutely amazing, and we cannot wait to show you what this whole place has to offer. Welcome to Oribi Gorge. This is a canyon within the southern part of Kwazulu Natal. It's one of 2 gorges that run through the Oribi Gorge. guys, how fun is this? It's a loo with the best lookout point, and it's the longest long drop in Africa. Come, let's go take a look. Definitely the longest long drop in Africa. And this is how you flush the toilet. How cool!
The urinal, the basin,
The lookout point.
the lookout point. Okay, so we've made it to this spot.
We have made it to the suspension bridge at Lake Eland. Adam is already shaking in his bones.
This thing looks really hectic over this whole gorge thing. It's like, ah.
I'm so excited.
Yeah, let's go see if I'm able to do it. If not, well,
Come with me on the journey.
Okay, so we've decided before we actually do the bridge, we're gonna go to the viewing point of the bridge, which is also on a freaking ledge. Oh man. We'll try
I'm so
this.
excited.
I'm not.
Okay guys, so we've just made it to the suspension bridge lookout point, and it looks amazing. Adam doesn't think it looks amazing. He can't even get to the edge. And we have now made it to the start of the suspension bridge. At least there's quite a lot of trees here, so you actually can't see yet your view.
I don't know if I'm going to be able to do this.
Are you gonna do it?
I don't know.
Good man. We'll talk about it for years afterwards.
But exactly, he's terrified of heights. Okay guys, we have just made it on the suspension bridge. Adam is freaking out. Are you fine?
Mm-hmm.
Are you fine? You can't turn back, eh?
Slow down. Wait for me.
There's people behind you.
Oh, fuck, they have to wait. Oh,
I need to actually record you doing this. Can I record you doing this? Because this is like very famous.
Yeah, take it.
you're fine.
Yes. Okay, go past me.
I can't.
You can, just go.
How am I going to go first?
Guys, Adam is freaking out. Give us a smile there, my love.
I'm like literally shaking like fuck. I'm just looking forward, I'm not looking
No,
down.
you have to look down. It's not that bad.
Are we in the middle yet?
No,
Oh god, you're not even halfway.
no.
My legs are cramping. Just look forward, look forward. I'm just looking forward.
Okay. I'm actually starting to shake now.
Shaky. Thank God we don't have to go back. We can go this way.
What was that?
Yeah,
Show me how you're shaking.
that was horrible. I don't like heights, eh? That,
Your feet like go like this.
oh, my whole body went like that. That was my feet.
Okay guys, so we have just made it across the suspension bridge. It was amazing. Adam freaked out. I kind of freaked out a little bit. But look at this view. Oh, so beautiful. Yo! And it's see-through, hey?
Huh?
I can see the bottom.
Oh. I can't even watch you there.
She looks like Kate Winslet.
I know. Oh, God.
Isn't Titanic?
Hey guys, welcome to Lake Eland. This is the suspension bridge, the lookout area. Yay, I'm on top of the world. So guys, if you're new to our channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, congratulate me for getting on top here where you can look at.
Okay, so I've now come back up from the bridge, a bit out of breath because you're a bit on a little hike to get back, and it's not the straightforward bridge because you can't come back across that bridge, thank God. So Kelby's still down there doing some photos. I'm gonna grab the drone and see if we can get something cool though. So, let's go and get some dinner and settle down for the night, and we'll see you all in the morning. One love.
Oh my goodness, this is so nice.
This is our home for the night. Thanks, Lake Eland. You're the best.
So we've just got given the briefing on what to do.
Welcome to Oribi Gorge. George. So what did you say?
I'm not feeling comfortable about this.
But you have to do it, it's once in a lifetime.
You might have to film because I might drop the camera. So,
Spoke over me.
oh sorry, go. So, our new office for the night is another unique one.
Hey,
Right? Slow.
how's this view? I'm looking at a concrete wall. Adam's got the base view tonight.
Our house the size of our car.
And it's fucking cold. Okay guys, if you wonder why Adam's not here, well, go figure.
Because I got to film it. I can't get this angle if I'm up there.
Whatever. It's my
I thought there's just no room.
Go.
Welcome to Pipe Dreams.
Okay guys, so now we get to show you the evolution.
I don't know, we're going to have to come back to that bit. We're going to show you the toilets.
Okay, we're gonna show you the toilets
I
because
think it's the pollution box.
pollution. Okay, we're gonna show you the pollution blocks.